If you need to cancel your Dropbox subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Dropbox website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Billing. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Billing tab. This section contains all the information related to your subscription and payment details. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Look for the option that says Cancel Plan or Cancel Subscription. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback on why you are cancelling. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email from Dropbox. Check your email to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Dropbox support.